So moving forward, next we have with us Ms. Snigdha Chaudhary, Head Recruitment, Placement and Talent, Lloyd Business School. Ms. Chaudhary is a management graduate from Pune University. She has over 9 years of rich experience in corporate connect. She has handled versatile profiles ranging from HR, talent acquisition and corporate relations. Her forte lies in corporate engagement and training students for corporate readiness. She has run recruitment drive for various multinationals. We welcome you, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, Soumya ma'am. A very good morning to all of you. It has been a very enriching session by Mr. Nitin Sethi, and I'm sure your enthusiasm is to another level. I would like to start by congratulating you all for starting this new journey, embarking this new chapter in your life, and welcoming you to Lloyd family. The term Lloyd family, I'm sure you've heard from Director Sir, from Group Director Ma'am. And when we say Lloyd family, we mean it in the sense that the next 2 years, every faculty member, every staff member is going to stand strong with you to make the best outcome out of you. We would be helping you face your challenges, guiding you at every step, and letting you overcome all problems and making you a better professional. Before I start with my presentation, I would like to share with you with respect to, when we talk about training and placement at your college, Lloyd, what is it for you to expect out of it and what is it that we expect out of you? I'm sure each one of you, when you have taken admission in your postgraduate program with us, you have an aspiration that 2 years down the line, when you walk out of Lloyd, you walk out with a dream job in your hand. And trust me, that is something that we are here to make it happen. But students, dreaming big is good. As Nitin sir also pointed out, the world is the limit for everybody, but there is nothing which comes free. You've heard it a number of times. You dreaming big, you dreaming for a big job, the job is not just going to land up in our laps. We all need to put in collaborative efforts. We need to start focusing. We need to have self-discipline and work towards it right from today. So the first interaction that on your behalf makes with the recruiter is your resume. It is not you who, kind of faces the recruiter first. It is your resume that faces the recruiter first. And trust me, this resume is not made overnight. It is built over these years at your institute. And that is what makes a difference. Many of you must be thinking कि अभी तो summer internship हमने 1 साल के बाद बैठना है. अभी हमारी final placement 1.5 years बाद है. आज हम induction में क्यों अपने CV की बात कर रहे हैं? But trust me, if we not start working right from here, we will be standing on the D-Day confused and then thinking what to do now. So the training and placement cell, rather Lloyd Business School, has this vision of not only giving you academic excellence, but providing you the best possible and all the opportunities for industry integration. There are a lot of clubs in the college. There are a lot of societies in the college. We, even now that you must have seen, the new normal is virtual, and we are not leaving any stone unturned to face that reality as well. So every month on month, you will be having various cultural events happening. You will be a lot of management events, a lot of clubs participation, guest lectures, workshops, live projects. It is for you to participate in them. I would here like to make a humble request to each one of you to actively participate in all these events happening in college. This will, the whole objective is not that participating with add those bullets in your resume. No, your participation will hone your skills. Like Nitin sir just mentioned, soft skills, your communication skills. A very good question in that session that, communication skills up in the corporate world. So your soft skills are very imperative, and participation in such events. Maybe in the last moment you are in the stage committee and the mic just doesn't work. How did you handle that situation? You have an event wherein you have maybe 30 colleges participating in our college. How did you manage that data? How did you align them properly? I'm sure you'll face hundreds of challenges there. And once you come out of that situation, you will be a better individual. When you sit in front of the recruiter to answer questions and quoting those live examples, you will make that impact. You will stand out, because that is what the recruiter is looking for. So please take it, make a note wherever you can, and ensure that you do an active participation. You show that enthusiasm, you show that initiative, and everybody in the college will be there to help you hone your skills and make you a better professional. Moving on to the presentation, I'll just share my screen, Soumya ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
At Lloyd, just now that you know, at Lloyd Business School, we have a dedicated training and placement division with the whole objective of providing you a platform to achieve your end objective of cracking the best summer internship, the best of the OJTs, and the best of the final placement. The times are changing, the industry demands are changing, and we would ensure that you get the best of the corporate exposure during these years by arranging a lot of guest lectures. We are on day 3, and you yourself seen the kind of eminent speakers that have come in the induction program, the kind of knowledge share that is happening, the kind of inputs you're getting, that what is expected out of you when you join a company. So, all these workshops, live projects, everything will be provided to you. It is you who has to make the best out of you. Next, I would like to introduce the team. So the training and the placement cell at your college is headed by Mr. Vishal Goyal, who is the Director, Corporate Resource Center. Mr. Vishal is an alumni of IMT Ghaziabad and Harvard University. He has over 22 years of rich experience in corporate sector, primarily in corporate relations and placements. And he's worked with the top 2 B schools of India, ISB Hyderabad and IMT Ghaziabad. And the best thing to know about him is that he's authored a book which is titled Campus Placement, and to ensure that you do not remain unplaced. Trust me, it will not be just placing. He will be the person who will be getting your dream job, the right job for all of you. The other members, the key members in the training and placement cell, we have Dr. Shruti Triambak, who heads the corporate relation. Dr. Shruti is another pillar in the training and placement cell. She would be your go-to person to get the maximum corporate engagements, the maximum industrial visits, and your coach all through these 2 years. We also have with us Ms. Kajal Chauhan, who heads the Center of Excellence. Trust me, she's a wonderful mentor and a wonderful guide, and will prepare you to face your interviews more confidently and get you through that. We have with us Ms. Vaibhavi Singh, who's the Executive Training and Placement. She is the student interface for the training and placement cell. You will be in regular touch with her in getting all the job updates, and all opportunities will be floated through her. Okay, now the next slide talks about the process that the companies are going to follow. As I've already told you, the first thing that we work around is a resume. The next is when I say you have to focus. So what you have to focus on. When companies come on campus, it's not just one campus they're visiting, there are multiple campus. So your competition is amongst your peers, your competition is amongst other colleges as well. Unless we know what we will be judged on, our preparation may get little weak. So a general trend that the companies follow, and I'm sure this is gonna go on for a couple of years ahead as well, is because of the pool of students, that's a step-by-step elimination process. The first step starts with an aptitude test, followed by the group discussion, and then personal interviews. So students, here is your key to start preparing. हमारा CV बन रहा है 2 years और हमें क्या करना है? Training and placement cell will work a lot on your soft skill development, a lot on your personality development. We would do a lot of group discussion, a lot of mock personal interviews will happen all through the year. Your corporate engagements will give you the best of the exposure. But there is something that you need to also support us by doing those self practices. Now that you know कि आपको finally एक aptitude test में बैठना है, तो आज से ही क्यों ना हम उसकी तैयारी शुरू करें. There are n number of sample aptitude tests available online. They are, in various logical reasoning, quant, English, everything. You start working. आप एक वो बना लो कि आपको एक वीक में एक करना है, 2 करना है. It's on you. But जो आप एक preparation शुरू कर रहे हो, आप उसको maintain करो. And once you start giving these aptitudes, you will see your score. You will know what is your strength, what is your weakness. Come back to us with that. Every कि आपका strength क्या है या आपकी weakness क्या है, वो focus और support कैसे मिलेगा. Discussion. Miss Reba also skills. Mr. Nitin Sethi was saying communication skill का मतलब नहीं है कि आप impeccable English बोल रहे हो, आप एकदम fluent बोल रहे हो. Important thing is जो अगला बोल रहा है आप उसको समझ रहे हो, जो आप कहना चाह रहे हो वो दूसरा समझ रहा है. That is what is communication. That is what is required out of you. You start reading a lot of business magazines. You start reading business papers. आपकी English अपने आप improve होगी. आप अच्छी English movies देखो with subtitles. You will hone those English skills. लेकिन अगर आपकी communication में यही नहीं हो रहा कि आप जो कहना चाह रहे हो और वो बात अगला समझ नहीं रहा, then that is a problem. To give you, I'm sure a lot of you are experienced here as well. A group discussion, you do not get maybe more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but that is the time wherein you have to show what you have in you. वो आप हिंदी में बोलो, आप इंग्लिश में बोलो, आप मिक्स बोलो, लेकिन your point has to make an impact in that 2 minutes. Next is personal interview. When you focus on personal interview, those are your magic moments. I'll give you a very small example here, which will help you in understanding हम preparation पे इतना focus क्यों कर रहे हैं. Companies आएंगी, companies will be there, but trust me, जैसे जैसे बच्चों, the average percentages are increasing. Technology is enhancing your skills. Recruiters are also upping their strategies to eagle hunt the right talent. अगर हम उस चीज को नहीं पहचान रहे, अगर हम अपने आप को स्टैंड आउट नहीं कर रहे, कंपनीज तो कैंपस में आ जाएंगी, बट सिलेक्शन वो 20 मिनट्स आपको अपना मेंटोर, आपको अपना मेटल प्रूफ करना है. सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, जब आप एग्जाम फेस करते हो, सबसे मुश्किल क्या होता है? वो क्वेश्चन जो हमने पढ़ा ना हो, या वो क्वेश्चन जो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस आ जाए, राइट? दैट गिव्स यू लिटिल जिटर्स. सबसे इजी होता है जो हमने बस पढ़ के अभी आए थे. But trust me, अगर आप पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में जाओगे ना, the easiest question and the first question that you will have to face, take it in written from me, is tell me about yourself. Isn't that the easiest question? You only have to tell about yourself. I mean, who knows better about you? But if you are not prepared, my dear students, the easiest question will be the most difficult questions. You have a life to share, but क्या बताना है, कितना बताना है, how to start, where to start, what is the key points you have to share, is where your preparation will help you. Start standing in front of the mirror, talk to yourself, understand your body language, and start working on these skills right from here. And trust me, then nobody will be able to stop you to get your dream job. Now, just giving you a little brief about the guidelines that we follow at training and placement, so that once you start, you know what and from where to start. So basically, we start with filling up a placement assistance form. So that's a form that is floated to all of you. And the ones who fill that up are given all the opportunities through training and placement cell. As I mentioned earlier about resume, at Lloyd, we do follow a standard format of resume, but what goes in those topics is something that you would be adding on. However, you'll have to follow a standard format. All the communication from the training and placement cell will primarily be through two modes, is your registered email IDs and your registered mobile numbers through WhatsApp. So ensure that at any point in time, if you are changing your contact number, please come and inform training and placement cell personally so that you do not miss out on any important communication or any opportunity that is being floated out. I'm not sure, it's not that important to share, but I'm sure you all are already in that mode that you need to follow strict code of conduct during the placement season. The next point, deadlines for placement shall not be missed. Students, you are here in a professional program. You are the future managers. Start behaving like one now. These things should come naturally to you now. Instead of we following up, कि हमने ये standard format दिया था, 2 दिन में भरना है. आप आ जाओ 1 दिन में and you say, this is done, ma'am. This company had come, I have given my CV. What is the update? Because this is what you have to handle in a corporate sector. आपको multitasking करनी है, आपको leadership skills दिखाने हैं, आपको problem solving करनी है. So you need to start working on all these skills right from now. So that once you enter corporate, you are corporate ready. The other things here will be that, yes, we'll start from your summer internship, moving on to your on-the-job training and your final placements. The training and placement cell will not leave connect with you even if you pass out. So, because we are in touch with so many companies, and it's not always the opportunities that which help works both ways. Our alumni are always coming back to fetch for talent from the college, and even we are sharing the opportunities which come for experienced professionals to our alumni. And you will be getting a lot of opportunities through the placement cell. Why? Because, see, it will not be, I cannot assure you the first interview sit you crack, the second interview sit you crack, but the training and placement cell will stand strong with you till you crack the placement, till you get the job in hand. A brief overview of our last placement season. As Director Sir had also mentioned in his note, we had 100% summer internships for the current batch. And you could see, we have industry leaders from FMCG, from media, from EdTech, from e-commerce, all on our panel. And that's a list of our alumni network. So, what this shows is you have all options available here. What you're dreaming for is right. Where you are today is the right place. But our efforts should not go less. We need to put in multiple efforts to achieve our dreams. The last point that I wanted to mention here was that, as I've already told you, we are doing a lot of industry integration, a lot of live projects, a lot of workshops, a lot of industrial visits, guest lectures. Lloyd also focuses on getting MOUs signed with industry leaders and with renowned companies in their area of expertise. And these MOUs serve a great deal in internships, on-the-job training, and final placement for our students. So a few of the key MOUs have been mentioned here, and you could see. So for your specialization in analytics, in human resources, in supply chain, in finances, we have MOUs with all the top industry leaders here. So that was a brief and I do not want to scare you, but that's a little brief and an overview of what the training and placement cell is all here in Lloyd. And to be ready and focused. Success may not come in the first attempt, may not come in the second attempt, but you do not have to lose hope. We need to work towards it. Alternates हमेशा होंगे, हमें उन्हें identify करना है. In your generation, you kind of use words like stress हो रहा है, हमारा interview हमें stress हो रहा है, हमारा selection नहीं हुआ, stress हो रहा है. Trust me, this will not help. Talk to the person that you close to, maybe some elder in your family, to your faculty member, to me, to anybody. Share that stress and we will work towards it. And focus and maintain self-discipline and you will get what you aspire for. Thank you, students, and look forward to having you on campus soon. Thank you so much.